very long time now. What are the values of the brand that sort of personally resonate with you?
Well, the association was, I mean, the timing couldn't have been organic. It was beautifully coincided with the time that I started, really getting into the fitness space and really realizing how fit and how much potential I have as an individual in terms of changing my nutrition and just changing my lifestyle in general. So Herbalife, I looked at Herbalife as an association which represents a lifestyle. All the people that are associated with Herbalife, if you look at their journeys, it's been a lifestyle change. It's not just using the product for a bit and getting the results and moving on. It's people stay with the brand. It becomes a lifestyle choice. And that to me is very special because it's a commitment. And so has been this association. And that's why I continue to value it. The perks of it being that Cristiano is also sponsored by Herbalife, and I was pretty excited about that also. But apart from that, I think it represents the right values, and that's why I continue to be associated with the brand, because I want people to get results, keep persevering, fight against all your desires, all your taste buds fluctuating every now and then. It takes an effort, and I think Herbalife urges and pushes people into that direction to realize their max potential, and people have just not gone back, and that's why this association for me continues to be special.
And on that special note, it's not often that about 30,000 fans and admirers get a chance to have you on their screens. Do you have a parting message for the Herbalife family?
As I said before, it's times are different, so we are meeting like this, but I just want to say that it's always special interacting with all of you, whether it's in person or in such a format. And I would just extend what I spoke to Jatin about just now, is that continue to do what's right, continue to make the effort on a daily basis, get better, be the best version of yourselves, realize your max potential, and just live a healthier life like you have been with Herbalife. And I wish you guys all the best, and we'll continue to have these conversations for a very long time to come. God bless you all.
Virat, thank you so much once again on behalf of the entire Herbalife family, all your fans, your admirers. Continue to inspire us. Wishing you all the very best for the future endeavors, the series that's around the corner.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Jatin. Cheers.